Hi, welcome to Simply Scrapping. Today I'm going to do a layout for the Girls Down Under Facebook group. If you're an Australian or New Zealand scrapper and you're not in our group, we would love for you to join. We are a very small group, but we're looking to expand. We do weekly challenges, so every weekend there will be a challenge. There's other challenges that pop up along the way. We also do swaps for handmade embellishments and just a really chilled group. So I will put the link down below. Now this weekend's challenge was set by Karen Goddard, and her challenge to us was to make a 12 by 12 layout with a pocket for ephemera or journaling, washi tape and a quote, and you must have ephemera and or journaling in your pocket. So that's the challenge. This is what I'm doing. This is a photo of me at some birthday, I don't know when. So I couldn't even guess what age I was at this birthday, but there was a few people at our place, so I don't know. Anyway, so that's what I'm doing. My journaling is not going to be about the birthday. It's about my thoughts on that time in my life. I think it was around the mid-1980s, I think. So my journaling is going to be about my thoughts of my life at that stage and things like that. So anyway, so my pocket, I have used this die by Stampin' Up. I believe it is still, there you go, mini pocket envelope die. I think it is still current. I got this on a D-stash group, would you believe? So I think admin must have been fallen down on their job in this group, and I could get this really, really cheap, which was amazing. So I've used the big die just to cut out the pocket, and I cut it out in vellum so that you can still like see through it. And I also grabbed an old, they're not Project Life, they're the Stampin' Up equivalent, Memories and More or something. And I just picked one that had the same colours as what I'm doing for the paper. And so they look like this. And I just cut it down so that it fits in this vellum envelope. So there is my pocket, and I am going to journal on this. So there will be journaling. So tick 1 for one of the prompts on the challenge. The next was washi tape. So I have 2 washi tapes here with a bit of like gold on them because the paper has gold in it. There's not much on this one, so I don't know if there's enough on the roll. If there's not, then I've got this one as a backup. This one is an ultra new one, and I just opened the roll, so I've never used it before. Had it quite a few years. Surprise, surprise, never used it. This one I've used quite a bit. It's getting to the bottom of the roll. I think this could have been one from one of the Stampin' Up Memories and More packs. Not sure. But anyway, I've got the 2 washies. I've got to try not to forget to use them. Paper I'm using is a Jen Hadfield collection from, now I kept the plastic it came in only because I wanted to show you what it was. It is Home and Made, I believe. And it came in this 2 sheets, came in each individual plastic bags. I don't know why, but anyway, probably so they could charge more. So this is from 2015 from pebblesinc.com. Yeah, and the range I think is called Home and Made. Probably can't buy this anymore anywhere, but anyway, plastic bags in the bin. And this is 1 sheet, so beautiful big apricot flowers, and the reason I picked it was of course I have an apricot jumper on in my photo. It's quite thick. And then the second one is all these cut aparts with all these quotes and sayings and things on it. So I've already cut one apart and have them all here, so I plan to use a couple of these on the layout, and hopefully that meets the criteria of a quote in the layout. What else did I need to include? It's going to be a 12 by 12. I've got my pocket, my quote, my washi. Right, so I'm ready to go. I don't have, or I didn't pull, sorry, any paper to back my photo with, but I do have these matching coloured scraps. So I'm thinking I might do a multi-thing, backing thing around the photo. I don't know, but I've got them. I have buttons. Whether I use these or not, but there's a few like apricot-y things in there, glitter arrows, stars, I don't know. They were just in my embellishment bag, so I pulled them out. I have enamel dots, And then I found, when I was looking for these, for a journaling card to put in my little envelope, I came across a bag of all the sticker sheets that I got. This is just some of all the sticker sheets from the Memories and More packs I used to get from Stampin' Up. And I've obviously just taken all the sticker sheets out, put them in this plastic bag, and I came across them. So I took out all the ones that had the right colours for this layout. I don't know whether I'll use them or not, but I've got them. You can never have too many embellishments to pick from when doing a page. I also picked this Jen Hadfield, I don't know what it's called, Icon Ephemera. I'm trying to read the Peaceful Heart, I think is the collection. So it's got like your apricot tones in there as well. And then I got a exchange years and years ago, and I was cleaning up my room yesterday, and I came across an ephemera pack that I had got from a swap from someone in a group that I'd totally forgotten about years and years ago. So I unpacked that and put that in with all the different things that needed to go in. And in there were these half sheets of stickers. This is Life is Beautiful from Cocoa Vanilla. This, I don't know, it could be the same, and maybe they just cut something out, or no, it's just been cut to fit in the packet, I think. There's a sticker missing, but that everything else, oh, and this one, everything else is there, so I don't care. So they're the right colours. I also found in my stash these stickers from, it says Together. I don't know who or what, doesn't really say, but anyway, I found those. They've got some apricot-y things. And then another packet I found, Beautiful Day stickers. I thought these were Jen Hadfield. No, I don't know what they are, but they look, apricot flowers, butterflies, really pretty. So that is what I am using, and let's see what I can do with this criteria. Okay, let's get on with it. Okay, there's my finished page. It's very eclectic and that's how I wanted it. I chose everything apricots and sort of the oranges. Some of them, I'm very a matchy person. Some of them don't match, but I'm okay with it. So we've got 2 different shades of oranges in these flowers, but it really doesn't matter. I just love how it came together. I've anchored the corners with these big quotes, and that's going to help tell, with my journaling, it's going to help tell the story of what I'm trying to portray. There's lots of different symbols on here that, yeah, I'm not going to go into, but anyway, I think it works. So, oh, this is now crooked down the bottom. Oh no. And I wanted to create an eclectic page. So, because that's sort of like the story of my life and the way my brain works. But anyway, I've met the criteria. I've used washi tape all the way around the border. I've got a envelope that's going to have journaling in it. I've got a 12 by 12 layer, and I've used a quote. Well, I've used lots of quotes actually, 4, 5, and I hope they count as quotes. But there you go. That is my page. If you have liked this, give me the thumbs up. If you're not already a subscriber, please consider subscribing. Hit that notify bell so you know when my next video comes out. Thank you so much for watching and have a scrap happy day. Bye bye.